Hi, welcome back to Copilot. Today, we're going to dive into some essential tips and tricks for managing your transactions in Copilot. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a recurring for a transaction, how splitting works, updating a transaction state, and how to bulk edit transactions. Let's get started. Do you have a regular purchase or payment you'd like to find easily? You can use our recurring feature, which helps Copilot to anticipate recurring spend in your budget from the start of each month. You can also change the name of the recurring, so instead of seeing Zal123 as a transaction name, you can see rent in your transactions list. You can set recurrings for weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, or annual transactions. Sometimes a single transaction covers different categories like shopping trip with groceries and household items, or if you want to spread a big expense across several months. You can simply tap on the split button to divide the transaction in as many individual transactions across different categories as you like. Need to undo a split? Select one of the split transactions, choose Edit Split, then tap the X next to each split to restore the original transaction. To change the date of a transaction, simply tap on the display date with the transaction view. This can be both to a future or even a past date. This is especially useful if you have an expense that posts earlier or later than expected around the end or the beginning of the month. This ensures that the spend is associated with the correct month for your budget. Want to make fast changes to multiple transactions at once? Copilot makes bulk editing simple. On your Mac or iPad, simply tap on the box next to the transaction to enter bulk select mode. On your iOS app, you can long press a transaction to enter bulk select mode. Then select two or more transactions and use the bulk edit bar to mark these transactions as reviewed, update their category, or change the transaction type. You may also tap on the Select All option to select all available transactions. You may also combine this with filtering or searching for specific transactions. Unselect by tapping, using the Unselect box in the search bar, or choosing Unselect All. Have more questions? Check out our helps articles or reach out to our team via the in-app chat for support. Thanks for watching.